You already got one, didn't you?
No. What's the matter?
Oh, got my face into this fucking bed, okay? Rub all this off of me on your bed.
It's not even on, you retard.
Liar!
Look at it! Okay, look at it. It's not even on.
Yeah, I just seen it.
It's not on. I can still see you. My memory just ran out, by the way.
No, it didn't. You're
Yeah,
lying.
it did. I have crappy memory on here. I don't have an XP. So, as you can just tell, I just totally made him look like a girl, or like a gay pirate Johnny Depp thing. And this is totally going. This is totally going on YouTube. He's like,
Kill you.
kind of mad if you didn't hear. Anyway, so that was my gay Johnny Depp clip. If you can see him, can you see him? He's throwing things at me. Don't throw my jewelry. Oh, well now he's throwing my jewelry. His gay Johnny Depp jewelry. I put like glitter all over him. It's so funny. This is what the use of having stepbrothers is for. Oh, and if anybody knows Preston Mize, he gives a big old shout out to all his friends back from the coast. Bye!